Don't just stand there lurking in the shadows. Come inside and see what I've done with my place. You're just going to scream with delight when you see my Lemax Spooky Town displays. Welcome to Black Raven Manor, the scariest haunted house in Spooky Town. The ghosts will be your hosts while the ravens circle above, keeping a watchful eye this Halloween Eve. Once you make it past the manor, don't miss the lights and sounds of the Zombie Jazz Cafe. Everyone in Spooky Town stops here for a stiff drink, eerie music, and a hair-raising good time. Of course, if you desire something a little more potent, see what they have in store at Dragon's Lair Potions and Spells. It's got all the right ingredients to dress up my Halloween decor. When you're ready, creep through the Bat Fence Gate and up to Death's Door Cemetery gates. Observe how the spectacular, spine-chilling hand-painted details look in the moonlight. But don't linger here too long. I've added Esmeralda's balloon rides for those who prefer to view the town from above ground. Now come see what I've done with my dessert bar. You'll want to grab a goodie before heading to Hideous Harry's Toy Factory. Don't let the name fool you. The sights and sounds add to the fun, but this is no child's play. Oh yes, help yourself to some candy, if you dare. You can sharpen your sweet teeth at Terribly Twisted Taffy Works. Slime Green is their most popular flavor, and they offer free samples to daring souls. You can wash it down at the Spider Cider House. It's tomb brewed and sure to impress your guests. The brew comes highly recommended by my friend Jolly Jack, but don't let that scare you. The coffee here is served extra dark and guaranteed to keep you up past the witching hour. Shh, did you hear that? I think my guests are getting close. Please make your way over here to our final destination. I've prepared to have my guests for dinner and the table is all set. First, my guests will arrive to the festivities at the graveyard party. Look at all these details. What an undertaking, but in the end, those details make all the difference. From here, my guests will enjoy a main course courtesy of the Ghoulish Gourd Pub and Grill. I don't want to brag, but the movement always attracts dinner guests looking to grab a bite, and the food here is to die for. Of course, your Halloween decor isn't complete without a little nod to your favorite four-legged creatures. As a good hostess, I've included the Best Buds Dog Supply Store and the Black Cat Halloween decor. For extra entertainment, you can enjoy the Frightful Feline Choir. Don't forget the party favors. My guests can stop in at Jack's Pumpkin Farm and pick up a gruesome gourd on their way home. This Halloween decor from Lemax is the magic to my bash. Each and every piece provides a treat for my guests and is sure to make the party come alive. Yikes, you better vanish. My guests have arrived. Trick or treat.